Hey guys, so I am using this stainless cup. I believe I got this from TJ Maxx. It was a set of 2 of them. I'll link it below if I can find it, but I prepped it with mattify and using some flat white Rust-Oleum spray paint to paint it all white. I will link these below if I can find them on Amazon. I'm not sure if I will, but if I can, I'll put them down there. But I thought this would be perfect for our Artistry birthday. Artistry turns 1 today. I'm so excited. It has been a crazy year, but it's been an awesome year. And I thought, what better way to celebrate than use this awesome new glitter mix. This is called B-Day, especially for Artistry. I thought it was so fun making this one. And using some glitter glue, we're just gonna put glitter on the top kind of glass part. I don't know what you call that. But just spreading it on with my finger. I used to use a glove when I did this, but I was like, why am I wasting a glove? It wipes right off. So using my finger to just spread that around. Then taking the B-Day mix and sprinkling that on there. So we're doing a full coverage on just the bottom, and then I'm gonna ombre it towards the top.
A force of habit to point at another mistake, but two wrongs don't make one right.
So I just kind of threw it all on there, and now I'm tapping that off. Then we're going on the sides. So I'm a little bit more careful when I'm sprinkling it out, and I just want it to fall just a little bit on the sides. So that's done. I let that dry. Then we're going to do some paint splatters with the Color Fix paint. I chose 6 different colors, and I ended up adding a little bit of water to them to get them to kind of flick and fling where I wanted it. But I thought I need some color splashes on this cup because Artistry is all about color and art and being creative. And I just thought it was appropriate for the cup. So I'm mixing that water in. Then I have these paint brushes. But I'm testing out flicking versus kind of spraying with your finger. And I liked the flick effect better. So I just went to town. I just kept flicking color by color until I liked how it looked.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
So then I made sure to get some on the stem as well. And that's what it's looking like. I let that dry. And then I sealed just the glitter part with the matte Rust-Oleum spray paint. Then I wanted to show you guys how I kind of hooked this onto my turner. It's a pool noodle and then some of that like shelf liner wrapped around it with some tape. But I had to get creative in order to get this on the turner. So I started with the base and I'm just using a little bit of epoxy, trying to make sure it's really thin, really even. It was very awkward doing a cup like this as opposed to a normal cup. Then I moved up to the very top. Was very careful around the top, making sure not to get any on the tape and stuff. Then I moved on to the glitter. So then it's time to do my little decal. I just put happy birthday in pink vinyl and then an offset in silver.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Then here I am stacking them. Then just placing it on the cup right on that little kind of white section at the top. And I kind of cut the transfer tape a couple places just so it would wrap around nicely.
Playing all my melodies.
Then I did 2 more layers of epoxy and I sanded a little bit in between. If I had more time, I would have done probably another one and sanded really well. I may or may not have done this the night before you're seeing it. Last night, yeah, I kind of left this the last minute. But I had some epoxy at the top. I just sanded it. I ended up using a little like Dremel tool just to get that off. And here she is all done. I think it's so cute and so festive for Artistry's first birthday. I'm obsessed with this glitter mix. I don't know about you guys, but it just feels so birthday, so cake, so just sprinkles. I love it so much. It is available. I'll have it linked down below. But of course I had to style it with my little cupcake and a candle.
Happy birthday to you.
And some sprinkles because why not? So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and check out our deals for today, our birthday, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.